Okay guys, Trax Fan 32 coming at you. I just ordered a slash two-wheel drive roller, and I was going to build a Baja Bug out of it. And I ordered these tires right here. They're off of the new F-150 Raptor, and I thought, man, those are really scale. They look really great. I mean, as you can see, I've already beat them up a little bit, but I thought, man, those would look beautiful on that. Well, I got them out and started playing with them in the dirt and everything, and being that truck's two-wheel drive, these tires, I'm getting very little traction with them. So the traction is so poor that I can barely even drive it. It's just not even fun. I thought about just selling it, and I thought, hey, you know, I'll try some trenchers. I've got some trenchers that are on my low C XXX SCT. The offset's not quite right, but I put them on there, and they hook up way better. They're much softer. They have a better tread pattern, and I thought, hey, that's great. But now I already bought these. I already invested in these. I like the wheels, so I thought maybe I'd boil them and deactivate the glue, and then buy some trenchers and put them on there. And then I realized that last time I boiled the chrome ring, that it kind of damaged it. So what I've done here is I've preheated the oven at 375 degrees, and I'm going to try out the baking method. So I'm going to put them in for about 6 minutes to start with, and we'll see what happens. Alright, I think we've been in about 7.5 minutes or so now. I'm just going to check them real quick. And all I had was jersey gloves. You guys might want to find something a little bit better than that, but let's check the back here. It's coming off a little bit warm. Yeah, I'm able to deactivate this. Yeah, that bead's completely broken loose. And this is the side that was down. Hold on, I'll get you a better light here. This is the side that was down on the cookie sheet, and this is the side, as you can see, the chrome's still okay. Let me check it real quick. It can use a little bit more, so I'm going to put this back on with the chrome side down now to get a little more heat on that particular side of it, and then we'll check it. We'll just give it probably, I don't know, 3 more minutes or so, and we'll check back. Alright, it's been a couple more minutes with the other side down on the cookie sheet. Let's check it out real quick. Let's see down here. Again, jerseys are not ideal for this. They just don't take up too much heat. But I can't find my riding gloves. Ow. Ouch. Done. Just be careful with these short course wheels. The backs of them, they're kind of thin, so you can really tear them up if you're not careful. So just be kind of careful. Let the heat do the work, and you don't have to mess too much with it, and you don't want to force it and tear up your wheel or tear your tire. These Traxxas tires are hard as a piece of radial tire. They're hard as hell, which is why they suck. But they look good. They just don't work very well. Anyway, so I've got these off now, and I'm gonna go ahead and since that went so smoothly, I'll just go ahead and bake my trenchers off of my Losi. That way I can go ahead and glue these up tonight, and I'll just do a complete tire swap. I won't even have to buy tires at the moment. So, you know, the hobby shop's not open today, so I'll just bake the ones off I got, and just be careful, especially on a softer tire. You don't want to pull real hard because you can tear the tire, and if you tear the tire, you're out of luck. So you don't really want that. You want to keep the bead. You want to keep the bead intact so that you can reuse it and reglue it. Anyway, that's it. Thanks, guys. Hope this helps.